Time to plan for the month of February in my catch-all planner. Hello my friends, it's Holly and welcome back to my planner desk. Today, as I said, we're going to be using this kit from Exomama Plans. I am loving the Universal Kit. I think it's so good. But the first thing we got to do is date. You don't need to really watch me do that, so we will pause it momentarily so that I can get all of the dates down. Okay, all dates are down. Fabulous, wonderful. I think part of me wants to use like washi right there, but we might use the journaling edges, and I do need to how do I want to do this? Do I want to use the red? Let's use the red. Commitment. And we're gonna put the days of the week down. So cute. All right, so that part's good. I want to do the side with February again, or I could put it up here this time. Change it up. What did I do last month? Like I haven't looked at my page or something. Oh, I used both washies at the top. Okay, hang on. I mean, it's washi stickers, not washi, but you know what I mean. Yep. That is, oh my goodness. That's the ticket. Can you tell it's been snowy and the dogs have energy? Guess in the comments which dog it is. Is it Jules or Sharpie? Those of you who've been here, you probably know. I'll tell you at the end. It's Sharpie. All right, I do like that. I do like that design. I am ordering more of these from Exomama Plans. I'm filming this the weekend of the planner sale, so by the time you see this, that sale will be done. Yeah, I think this is such a great way to balance out, you know, not everybody has an Erin Condren, not everybody has a happy planner. That's weird, Tuesday. What are you doing? Wait, what are you doing, Tuesday? It's a great way to balance out so it can fit in any style planner. Even a journal. You could use this for a journal very easily. Yeah, I know. Okay. I did make me a post-it note of things that I have going on. So we have the 13th and the 16th off. Oh, I'll put paydays first though, because those are always fun to note. Payday on the 5th payday on the 21st, which means it'll be on the 20th. Days off. Let's use this guy. He's rather large, but I think it's okay. Day off. And day off. Technically, this is a snow makeup day, but I think we're going to end up having it off. We only have one more e-learning day, but after that, they are going to switch to what is called a synchronous e-learning day. It's going to be interesting. Elementary wise, it's going to be interesting. That's always the hardest part. Like middle school, high school, totally fine. They do it more often, but yeah, that's going to be tricky. The 14th is Valentine's Day. Let's see, do I have which of my things do I have that on? I do have President's Day, which is technically the 16th. Well, not technically, it is. And I guess we will use, and I want to say Ash Wednesday is either the 18th or the 25th. I will have to look that up later though. Where'd my wrong. This book comes in clutch, guys, if you use undated planners. You two are so silly. It's Valentine's Day. I was gonna say, am I blind? Where is it? I'm blind. It's funny though, we're, that's the other thing I have to mark down there. We have a hockey game to go to that day. Weather permitting. Weather permitting, we have a hockey game to go to for one of my students. So, put that there. The 15th is Dog Day. That's when they get their flea and tick medication. I think those are the big things. So now what I need to note down is when FAME meeting is. That would be the 23rd. And I have classes on the Thursdays. Do we want to use, oh, I could use those. That'll work. Let's put you here. These are my Real Appeal meetings. That is my health and wellness meeting group. So those are there. I need to double check my class schedule for my course that I'm taking, but I am positive I have one here and here. So what I may do is, I've been using this pocket back here. Hey, those are those stickers I was looking for something else. That happens. But I do throw these back here in case during the week I need something. So I may do that with this guy as well. So this is music, ORF class. These are music teacher classes. ORF. Real Appeal. What do you use your monthly calendar for? I feel like I always like to ask this question when I do a monthly spread because a lot of people use it for different things. Sometimes they use it to track different habits and things like that. Mine has always been very appointment based. Just because I take care of so many people's things. Let's use meeting sticker. For FAME. team. I know we're mixing metals, which sometimes weirds me out, but I think we'll survive. I think we will. I know we're going to cover up monthly budget, so let's go ahead and do that with a larger sticker here. This will be my reading. And then I do need to take a look at my goals section. So let's grab my goals journal. My goals journal really stays at my planner desk because this is where I do a lot of the, planning. Duh. Anyway, so this is my goals journal and the different things that I'm working on. So my 4 quadrants are health and energy, social connections, self, and lifelong learning. So first thing I want to make sure is the lifelong learning part because I do have teacher things that need to be done. So let's assign times for different teacher trainer tasks. I don't know, how did I write that last time? Complete 2 tasks. Okay, plan to get together. I did that. And bake. I haven't baked in January, so maybe we put that up here. Bake. I gotta remember what task number it is, but task number setup, which includes email, teachers. I have to do a presentation and I have to film it. So I need to start setting up. I need to have 8 teachers watch me do this presentation. They don't have to be music teachers, but I need 8 teachers to watch me and I have to film it and send it. So, but I want to remember what task number it is. So email, teachers, and principal. To set it up, and then I also need to film 2 lessons. January has been really hard. I was trying to film these lessons in January, and just it's been such a chaotic month at school. Like every time I tried, something came up, and it was just like, fine, this is clearly not the day. So we're gonna try again in February. Maybe we can get it done. Film 2 lessons Wednesdays, and I'm gonna talk with the teacher, the classroom teacher, because one of the big issues is restroom breaks. The kids keep asking to go to the restroom and it's like half the class. So I'm like, hey, I think maybe we could change that up a little bit. Okay, so bake. I've been doing good with my journaling practice. I'm looking through like what I wrote for quarter 1. So set up tonal time. I've been really good at that. I've been tracking in my planner. I have a tonal program. Haven't been able to walk the dogs yet. The weather just has not been conducive, and that's okay. Adjust for obstacles. That's kind of what we did. Working on drinking 64 ounces of water. I've been really good about coffee at school. Attend all Real Appeal meetings has been good. Been meal prepping, tracking daily. I have noticed good patterns with my energy levels. So maybe that's another thing we do as well is energy levels. Social connection. I do need to put that schedule in. Schedule. Friend. Outing. This is a short month, so it could be questionable. Could be questionable on that one. Reading. I don't have the titles of all the books that I'm reading this month, but I do have the challenges, so I'll have to look back through there. But I'm going to go ahead. I am pretty positive, since I'm still in January when I'm filming this, that I will technically, it's loose. It's a loose technicality here. Complete 5 books in January, which is pretty good. But that being said, 2 of them I started in December and they finished up in January. But Goodreads and Storygraph counted as done in January, so there it is. I know one that I'm going to read is Done and Dusted. And then the other one I have downstairs, but I can't remember the title. I went to a grown-up book fair, and it was so much fun. I was able to get a whole bunch of different books, and I'm just really excited. And this is coming from someone who is a non-reader. I've always said that about myself, is that, oh, the dogs, reindeer games, is that, I think I'm gonna put that there. Or do we put it here? Put it there, and then anything I need to trim, I can trim. Let's see. Goodness. It took me a long time to find joy in reading. I always blame AR for that. Any of you who've ever done Lexile tests or accelerated reader, competitive reading was never for me because I always knew I was behind. And when you know that, it's like, well, then why am I gonna? Like, I'm sure somewhere it's like, oh, you're just competing against yourself, but it never felt that way. Not in the classes that I had. Goodness. I know. The zoomies. And then I may put some other goals up there. So let's see if we have something that we can use right there. And then we will probably call it good. Let's do use let's put this one down here just for a little extra decoration. We got it. We got it. We have these two guys left, but I think I'm gonna save them for something else. So yeah, I know that's all blank right there. I'm okay with that. Yeah, I think that's where we're gonna leave it for today, friends. So if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. I hope you have a Jules, why are you weird? What'd you do? She's a nothing. Sorry, guys. I hope you have a wonderful February, and I'll catch you all in the next one.